Hey guys, my name is Harish and today I'm going to show you how you can block any program from getting connected to its external server, and the connection can be any of the way, means it can be incoming or outgoing. If the server try to make a connection to the program which is installed on your PC is incoming connection, or the program which is installed on your PC try to make connection to its external server, it can be outgoing connection. So let's have a look how to do so. For an example, I'm using Camtasia Studio on my PC. You can see it's having shortcut here. I'm going to block its connections to its external server. So how to do so? The first step is to get into control panel of your PC. Here you have to find system and security and click on it. In system and security you have to find Windows Firewall, then click on it. In Windows Firewall, on the left hand side you have to find advanced settings, click on it and you will see a window like this. It's actually Windows Firewall with advanced security. It's a part of Windows Firewall only, but with the advanced security options. Here on the left hand side you can see inbound rules and outbound rules. These are the two options from where we can block our program to get connected to its external server. Inbound is used for incoming connection and outbound rules is for outgoing connection. So first of all, have a look in inbound rules. So click on it. After clicking on inbound rules, on the right hand side you will find this option, new rule. So click on it and you will have a window like this. Here you have to select the first option, which is program, then click on next. Here you have to define path, which is the second option. So click on browse and find where your program which you want to block is installed. My Camtasia Studio is installed in the C drive in program files. So here it is. You have to select the main application. So this is the one which we have to select for Camtasia Studio. After selecting this location, we have to click on next. Now here these are the three options we have to block, so we are going to select this option, block the connection, and then click on next. These three options must be selected. It's already selected here, you can see. Then click on next. Here you have to define the name of your new defined rule. So it can be anything you want. The next is description. You can see it's clearly mentioned. It's optional, so you can leave this blank. Then click on finish. And now when you will click on inbound rule, you will find this new rule added to this list. Now let's suppose that you want to delete this or you want to disable. So how to do so? You have to click on the rule. Then on the right hand side you can see here are the options. Disable rule, you can click and you can disable this or you can delete it. Okay, so it's quite easy and very simple. So now coming to outbound rules for outgoing connection, like your program want to make connection to its server, so how to block it? After clicking on outbound rules, you have to click on new rule on the right hand side. The procedure is almost same. Then select program, then next, and once again you have to select location where it is installed, and then you have to find actual application and click open. Then next you have to block the connection, so select it. Then next, these three options must be selected. Then next you have to define name. Then click on finish, and now you can check the list. Now Camtasia Studio cannot make connection to its external server by using your internet connection. It's very easy, it's very simple. and it's very useful when you are using a cracked version of any software. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. See you in next video.